story you should know about a legendary cowboy boy 10 years ago. Today is his birthday, his name is Ryet Rain. He's a decade old and that really seems insane. He's getting so big, he's growing up so fast. 10 years old, leaving single digits in the past. He's growing up to be such a fine young man. Loves going to Hawaii and working on his tan.
He's a little bit of country, a little rock and roll, a little bit rebellious, has a tender little soul. He's a trickster by nature and loves a good laugh. Has to have every toy he owns when he takes a bath. He's anxious for adventure, to get out and to play. Loves getting his boots dirty the cowboy way. He doesn't like a roller coaster if it goes too fast, but running on a horse he thinks is a blast.
Loves cowtails, Kit Kats, Reese's and Heath, but hates the 2 minutes it takes to brush his teeth. He really loves rice, but he don't like beans. Maybe he'll like them better when he's in his teens. Any chance he gets, he wants to eat a Subway Sammy. He prefers them with mayo, cheese, and hammy. Like any cowboy loves mashed potatoes and gravy. Watches over Josie B like she is his own baby.
His love runs deep, he's a romantic little guy. He's caring and nurturing, doesn't like to see you cry. Can't help but give his little brother a hard time. Usually ends up with him hugging for an extended amount of time. Don't ever call him yellow, though it is his favorite color. He's a brave and strong and fast little feller. Loves watching any movie that's starring The Rock. Likes to go where he wants, doesn't feel the need to knock.
The boy has style like he's in a magazine. Dresses like a boss, wants his hair neat and clean. Loves playing in the water, in the ocean or the lake. Building castles out of sun with a shovel and a rake. He's only got 6 years to drive a Subi or a Porsche. Until then he's happy just running on his horse. When he's riding, don't confuse him for John Wayne. Just remember he's the cowboy Ryet Rain.
When Ryet grows up, he really wants to be a cop. Wants to take down all the bad guys, maybe be a part of SWAT. Till then he'll be living like the cowboy way. We all love you, bud, have a happy birthday.
Yeah, cowboy up. We love you, buddy.